Hello everyone. Today we're talking about rest research and religion. Did you sleep well from our book Left Off? Let's underline the adverbs from the reading here, okay? So I'm going to read, then underline. My name is Dr. Hawash. When I was younger, I regularly had frightening dreams about huge insects. Because of these dreams, I slept badly. I still remember them clearly. Happily, the dreams stopped when I was 10. Scientists and doctors do not really know why people sleep or dream. However, they know that both these things are important for learning, memory, and health. So we have regularly, this is an adverb, badly, clearly, happily, really. Let's continue. During sleep, our brains produce electrical waves. When we sleep the most deeply, we produce slow electrical waves. This is slow wave sleep. During another kind of sleep, our eyes move rapidly. We call this sleep rapid eye movement or REM sleep. REM sleep happens 4 or 5 times a night when we dream. We sleep more lightly during REM sleep than slow wave sleep and can wake easily. Because I slept badly when I was a child, I decided to become a specialist sleep doctor. People have problems with sleep for different reasons, and my job is to help them sleep better. So deeply, rapidly, lightly, easily, badly. So these are the adverbs. Now let's ask and answer some questions. What did he dream about? Huge insects. When did these dreams stop? When he was 10. What are sleep and dreams important for memory, learning, and health? When do we sleep the most deeply? During sleep wave. How many times each night do we dream? 4 or 5 times a night. What kind of doctor is Dr. Hawash? Is a specialist sleep doctor. Who does Dr. Hawash try and help people with sleep problems? Excellent. Now the new vocabulary, we have brain. It's an organ of soft nerves tissue contained in the skull of vertebrates. Do you see it? Dream, it's a series of thoughts and images occurring in a person's mind during sleep. During, throughout the course. Electrical, produce electricity. Memory, the faculty by which the mind stores and remember. Movement, it's an act of moving. Rapid, happening in a short time. Specialist, it's a person high skilled in a specific field. So we have the new vocabulary here. I want you to spell the words. You have during. Excellent, it's with U, not O. Electrical, perfect, with C. Memory, perfect. Movement, excellent, and specialist, great. Now I'm going to read and remember these points. Adverbs add meaning to verbs and sentences. So what is the important about using adverbs is to add meaning to verbs and sentences. Add ly to adjectives to make adverbs. For example, regular, regularly. So if you notice, every time we choose adverb, it's ending with ly. So they are adjectives, but we remove it to adverbs by adding ly. We use more and most to make the comparative and superlative of adverbs. For example, Ahmed ran quickly. Rashid ran more quickly than Ahmed. Ali ran the most quickly of the three. So if you are going to compare, just use more and most before the adverb. For some adverbs are irregular. For example, well, better than, the best, hard, harder than, the hardest, badly, worse than, the worst, and fast, faster than, and the fastest. So they are irregular. Now I want you to see the correct form of the adverb. For example here, Abdullah drives slow and safe. So the adjective here, slow and safe. We want to make them adverbs. We are going to say Abdullah drives slowly and safely. So we are using the simple present. We add s because of Abdullah. Noor cooks well. She cooks better than me or Iman. 4. Adil speaks loudly. He speaks more loudly than Sami or Yazid. Lina regularly reads 2 books in 1 week. Yazid proofreads articles the most carefully of the people in the Marhaba team. Now I want you to look at these pictures, and these people are describing dreams. Number the pictures in the order you hear them. So according to what you are going to hear, just number the pictures. So let's listen.
These people are describing dreams. Number the pictures in the order you hear them. 1.
I was walking slowly through some trees. I saw a lion. It began to run. I ran. The lion ran more quickly than me. It was getting nearer. I tried to run faster, but I couldn't. The lion opened its mouth. Then... At this time, I always wake up. I'm tired and breathing heavily.
2.
It was the day of the school exams. I went into the room and sat down. The other girls looked nervously at me, but I smiled confidently at them. I know the answers because I have worked hard this year and I have revised well. The teacher tells us to start. I answer the questions more quickly than the other girls and leave the room.
3.
I look out the window. The sun is shining brightly. A large bird is flying lazily across the blue sky. I watch it. Then there is a loud noise. I look quickly around the room. Someone is shouting angrily. Who is it? The voice shouts more angrily than before. Ali, where can you see the pyramids? I look at the teacher sadly. I can't answer.
4.
I am standing outside our house. Suddenly, I see smoke coming under the front door. I shout to my sister, "Fatima, there's a fire! Leave the house immediately!" My sister can't hear me, and she waves happily at me from the window. I shout again, more loudly, but Fatima doesn't move. I'm still shouting when I wake up.
So the answers are A, it's number 4, there is a fire. B, 3, he's in class. C, he's running from a lion. And D, it's number 2, she's doing an exam. So if I ask you to talk about your dream, first you have to describe your dreams to the group. Like, for example, what is exactly your dream about? 2, find things about your dreams that you have in common. For example, if you are studying very well in your real life, then you dream about it, then just say it. 3, tell the class what you found in common. So for example, if you said that I study very well, and that's really true, like you are studying really well in the daily life, then you dreamed about that you, when you get to the exam, you did all the answer correctly. So for today, we learned about reading, new vocabulary, adverbs, and dreams. Thank you for listening.